Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I have another collaboration video with Your Creative Studio. They sent me the kit from February. And right here we have a thank you card. And it's a beautiful one that we can reuse. And then I'm going to open right here. And I have up here, it says washi. And it has this beautiful washi tape with blue flowers. And it matches the paper that we have up here. Then we have up here some stickers, and it says past memory. It comes with one of these dried flowers that is so beautiful, so gorgeous. I can use this one with my wax seals. See, so beautiful. And these are stickers. Look in the back. These are stickers. This one too. It says wed. Then more stickers right here. That says August. And all of these are stickers. Look, the cloud. Then this one. And then these are just papers that you have to put glue, okay? So right here we have this image. I love these kits because everything matches. Look how nice. You can use this one too. The string right here. And here we have a lot of papers. And this one is like a pocket that you can reuse as well. And I'm going to show you first the small ones. Look at all of these numbers. See? These numbers that you can glue. Then right here, it has different papers. It has different papers right here. And right here are these papers that are 4x6. And these are different designs. And these papers that are texture. It looks like mulberry papers, but they're not handmade, but they feel. And it has two of the first ones. And this one that it's very thin, it feels like rice paper. And it has some plants in here too. See, you get two of those. And also this that looks texture. And I'm going to open this one. And these are cling stamps. As you can see right here, there are 3 cling stamps, and I'm going to show you how they stamp at the end. And here, I'm going to open. We have another cling stamp, and it has this beautiful design. Then right here, it says Land of All Things, and these are papers or stickers. Let's find out. these are just paper. They don't have adhesive in the back, and look, very vintage, lots of plants, and look, it even looks like it's sewn on the edge. And this, that is just the backing, and remember that comes 2 of each design. Then look at this. These are stickers, and they are the clear ones, and it has 40 pieces, and let's look at them. And I'm going to put it up here so you can see. Has beautiful irises. These are iris, small iris. Look at this, it looks like dry flower, but it's just a sticker. Very, very gorgeous. They look like dry flowers, and you get 2 of each of these flowers. Then I have another package that has these flowers. Look, a few more flowers. Super gorgeous. And this one too. It comes with these kind of seals. This one, small seals right here. This beautiful postcard, so cute. Then right here, more papers that are stamped, and this one, and this, so cute. Then you get these stickers. These are stickers right here, like vellum stickers. Can you see? Wow, so cute. They are very nice. Now let's see about these papers. A lot of papers here. See? And the first one, the cover is cardstock that you can reuse as well. And it comes like 3 of each. See? 3 of each. Wow, this is beautiful. It has purple like the flowers. And then this one right here. And the size of this is 4 by 5 3/4. Then I have up here some very, very thin paper, and it says that it's masking tape. Let me check. It feels like tissue paper, and it has this design, and it comes like about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 5 sheets of this beautiful like tissue paper. And right here I have another one, and this one are large papers. And right here says that it's ephemera, and it's 24 sheets. 6 sticker papers, 6 vellum papers, 6 art paper, and 6 pattern paper. I'm excited. I'm excited to see. The first one are sticker papers. So you got this, and all of these are sticker papers. This one right here. This one. This one, and this one is so beautiful. So those are the sticker papers. Now these are the pattern papers, and they are the same, so you can use them together. See? And now this one are the craft paper, which is a little more thicker, and the colors even change. And here are the vellum paper. This is the same pattern, but it's just vellum. See? Can you see my fingers? So cute. Very nice. See? And these papers measure 5 by 8.5. Wow, this is wonderful. I love the variety of papers and the size. That's awesome. And the last one, I think it's the last one, is this one right here, that it's a ribbon transfer sticker. See? And it has right here the plastic that you have to pass it on top, and you can have the sticker on your cards or papers. And there are more than one. Yes, you have this design, this one, and this one. 3 ribbons sheets. Beautiful. They look very nice. They look like vellum stickers when you put them on your project. And here are the stamps, and this is how they look like. Look, this one is this big one. So this is like vines and leaves, and this is like a frame. Very nice. You can do it on different sides. And this one are the flowers right here. They stamp very well. And I stamp them in color so you can see the difference too. Look, see how delicate, right? And right here is the frame, and these are the flowers right here. See, so nice. So it depends how you need them, if you need it in color and black and white. And best of all is that you can stamp as many times as you need, and you have this one for many projects. This is a lot of materials for a nice project. If you like this kit or you want to see more, please click on the link and visit your creative studio and see other kits that they have available. And if you didn't subscribe to my channel, please consider to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.